Come diagnose an inoperative backup camera on this 2015 Tahoe with me. All right, so looking at the rear view camera, we put it in reverse. That is all we get. I've gone ahead and scanned the vehicle, and in the HMI module, we have this B127B. So let's go see what that's about. So it looks like this code sets anytime the HMI module doesn't receive a video input from the rear view camera. So I've got my rear view camera disconnected now, and we're going to test the circuits right here at it. So this circuit should be the ground for it. As you can see, we have ground present. And then this circuit should be the ignition feed for it. And we do not have, hold on, wrong circuit. Oh, that's it. We do not have ignition voltage on that circuit. So that is definitely an issue that we need to trace down. So I've gone ahead and taken this fuse out, and I can see that it's not blown, but when checking voltage on it, we actually don't have any voltage on this fuse. And just to make sure I have this hooked up right. So let's figure out where it gets its voltage from. So we can actually test to make sure everything else is working from this point by applying power to that fuse. So I've got the vehicle in reverse, got our message, I put power to it, camera comes back. So we know if we fix the issue of it not receiving power at this fuse, we'll have our problem solved. So after looking at this schematic, I can see that fuses 33, 36, 37, 24, and 25 all do not have power at the same time, but fuse 38 does. So I can tell the ignition main relay is not being cut on. So let's see where it gets its control power from. So that relay gets its control power from the ignition switch, and then from the ignition switch it goes to the body control module, and then the body control module sends that power to the relay. So this is testing power going from the ignition switch to the body control module, and as you can see, we have battery voltage. So the ignition switch is good. Let's test the output from the BCM going to that relay now. So it appears the BCM is also sending that ignition voltage to the relay. So let's just go take a look at the relay. So I took my relay out. I found out I do have ignition voltage going to it. So it should have been working. I tested all the other circuits too and they were good. So I decided to just switch it out with another relay. So here goes our old one with the new one installed. Put it in reverse, we got a camera. So just happen to have a bad relay. So they also have it here today because they said their third brake light doesn't work. So I've got the V200 Pro hooked up to the third brake light connector. So I'm giving it power and ground. And as you can see, give it power, nothing happens. So looks like it needs a third brake light, or there may be a circuit issue right here. So after getting the spoiler apart, it does look like they are going to need a third brake light and this connector, or maybe the harness if you can't get the connector separately. But water has gotten in here and corroded both of these circuits up really badly. So there was two pretty quick diags. If this video has been helpful in any way, then follow me for more.